Hello everyone, I'm Satish, and I'm so excited to welcome you to Godwills Talent Hub, the place where learning meets inspiration. Here, we explore the exciting world of mathematics, science, social studies, life skills, motivation, Vedic math, and even Rubik's Cube tricks, all in a fun and easy to understand way. At Godwin's Talent Hub, we believe that education isn't just about learning facts, it's about thinking creatively, solving problems, and growing as individuals. So, if you're ready to make learning fun, exciting, and meaningful, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and join our growing family of curious minds. Together, let's learn, grow, and inspire only here at Godwin's Talent Hub.